Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay and today we are going to be doing some Chiney Bumps as we know them in Jamaica, or Bantu Knots for anybody overseas. It is a very hot trending style right now that I had to do my take off. But before we get into all of that, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'm not even gonna go like first. Subscribe above all things, okay? Hit that like button if you like the content, of course. And don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say and we could Chiney Bumps on here. Bad mind and jealousy just get Okay, so starting on freshly washed hair, you know, I normally try to do my hair freshly washed and all of that. I also deep conditioned, and we are going to section off our hair. Alright, so I'm going to start in the front section, and what I'm going to do is just to go straight across and then try to make some triangular shape parting. I'm going to wrap these up just to get an idea of how it will frame my face, and then transition onto the back where I will do that part in about 7 sections, or maybe about 5 sections randomly placed. Starting with the Alikay Naturals leave-in, and this is a lemongrass line now, guys. I am going to moisturize and then seal with the Alikay Natural Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. This is a shea butter based product which I really love for a heavier moisturizer. So if I am doing a style like the one I'm doing here where I need, you know, a little bit more moisturization, I'm going to go in with my Shea Yogurt. I'm going to go in with this Edge Control. I think it's Ultra Aqua Hair Gel Wax is the name of this Edge Control. I really wanted to use an Edge Control such as this. Then I'm going to use some elastic bands, just some black ones, and I'm going to oil these up so that I can reduce the friction between the bands and my hair to prevent any breakage that might occur, because elastic bands can be real damaging to your hair if you know you have to pull on them, or even when you're taking them out. So oiling them up really eliminates that problem right there. So what I'm going to do is to put my hair in sections with the elastic bands, and before doing so I will apply the Edge Control to the perimeters of the parting so that it will be sleek and I can ensure that the parts are properly done. Then I'm just going to do this on all about 10 sections. If I didn't mention that my hair was in 10 sections, I'm going to do this on all 10 sections and then proceed to the next step. So I want this hair to be very full, and what I'm going to do is add some hair extension to just give it that body that I don't naturally have. And I put this braid in maybe like a 16 length portion and then basically folded that in half so it's not really long, just to add body to the hair, to each section for the Bantu Knots. And I'm using a crochet needle because I cannot braid from the root. You know, that's why I didn't even get the elastic band in the first place. I'm just pulling that through the root of the hair, and I'm going to twist that up and then just roll it around. Okay. This is a good tip if you can't braid from the roots or twist from the root like myself. You can always use your crochet needle and elastic bands, or you can even plait it and then use an elastic band and then just twirl it around your hair, and that applies for so many different styles. I for one can't braid from the roots, so my crochet needle is like my best friend. I'm going to repeat that on all 4 sections. My hair is already moisturized, guys, because you see me do this so many times. I didn't do it on camera, but always moisturize your hair before you add any kind of extensions. Please remember that. That will help you with limiting dryness and hence breakage. So I'm going to repeat that on all sections. Pull the hair back through. I don't know about you guys, but Bantu Knots has always been a fixture in my childhood, and even now as a grown person, I know this is some version of these Chiney Bumps somewhere or another on my channel. We just wash my hair and just twirl it around because it's so easy to do. Funny enough, this is a African style. It originated in Africa with the Zulu tribe, to be exact. So without even knowing, a lot of us were, you know, paying homage to the motherland. As you are seeing here, all I'm doing is twirling my hair in that section to create these knots at the base of my hair. Well, as I said earlier, this is really a trending hairstyle that has become a norm, and I really love and appreciate that. Alright, taking the Alikay Naturals Hold It Gel and the edge control, I am going to set these edges in place. This gel is really amazing, guys. It really holds it as the name suggests. You put it in your hair and it just frees the life out of your hair, and it kind of loosened up to me over the course of the day, so it's not really damaging or it just doesn't cause any breakage for me. I really enjoy using this gel. It's my first bottle and may I tell you, I love it. A part of this hairstyle will really be the edges, or a focal point of the hairstyle will be the edges. I want some overly fancy hairlines than I would normally go for, and it's an important part of the style. So I'm spending a lot of time just swooping little hairs into different directions. There is no formula to how I do this. I just do random swooping just to give it some dramatics, and as I said, that's a major part of the style, but I really enjoy and think this hairstyle is beautiful. This gel is not an edge control. It really and truly holds your hair in place. Coupled with the leave-in and Shea yogurt moisturizer, it's A1. Really love these Alikay natural products. When my hair came down from this Bantu, I was really impressed with the moisture level that these combination gave me, and the edges were laid all day, might I add, all day. So this is a product that I would definitely recommend. This is a product that I also purchased myself. The Alikay Natural Leave-In is a staple product of mine, and I really enjoy it. The newer products to my collection would be this edge control, and I will continue to repurchase because I have never came across a product that has the amount of hold that this Alikay Natural product does. And the Shea yogurt I use from time to time, more so when I'm doing styles like these where other hair would really come in contact with my hair. As I said, my hair is way more fine than a lot of hair that I have ever done. So for me, I find that this Shea butter based moisturizer really and truly adds like a protective barrier between my hair and the braid, and I really love it. So a lot of times when I'm using extensions, I will pull on this product for that. It's a heavy moisturizer for my hair type, and not one that I would use with my wash and goes, but when I'm doing more so hairstyles that are like braids or plaits or anything like that, where I add hair onto my hair, or like add false hair or extensions, I would go reach for this product because of that. You have made it to the end of another video, guys. You deserve a clap for that. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Tell me how you like this updo. I am so feeling myself. I think it is super cute. Only need somewhere to go now, you know. So tell me if you like this style. Tell me if you have ever tried this version of Chiney Bump or Bantu Knots. Please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification, guys, so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say, and I'll see you on another one. Bye.